Hello, I'm Muhammad Fatur Rahman. I graduate of Science Education from Tidar University, Central Java, Indonesia. I made this video as part of my final exam project for this semester. I'm here to share a bit about my journey, past, present, and future, and give you some insight into my thoughts on education, career goals, and traveling. Sometimes when we are traveling or even just trying to get somewhere, we have to ask of for direction. For example, let's say I'm trying to find a new place like Tidar University, or even when I dream about traveling abroad. If always dreamed of going to Australia, specifically to study at the University of Sydney. I would love to visit iconic places like the Sydney Opera House, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and Bondi Beach. Asking for direction when traveling is just part of the journey, whether it's here in my hometown or halfway across the world. Getting the right information from the right people can make your experience a lot easier and sometimes even more exciting. When I was younger, I had big dreams. I actually wanted to be an engineer. I remember in elementary school, I even cosplayed as an engineer for school carnival. It was so fun to dress up, and I felt proud of my dream at the time. It's but as I got older and began to think more about the world around me, I realized that my calling was in education. Now I want to become a teacher. I believe that helping shape young minds is one of the most important things I can do with my life. So, after I finish my degree in science education, my goals is to become a teacher. I want to make a real impact on the education system in Indonesia. But that's not all. I also want to continue my education by pursuing a master's degree in, and I can it love to study about the University of Sydney in Australia. Eventually, I hope to take on a role education policy, maybe even as a member of parliament. I want to help improve the education system across Indonesia, particularly in rural areas where students still don't have equal access to quality education. That's big dream, but I'm committed to making it happen. I'm always curious about what other people think, especially when it's come to education. For exam, what do you think is the biggest challenge for seeing education in Indonesia today? In my opinion, one one of the biggest challenge in the unequal access to education. Many children in rural areas don't have the same resources or opportunities as those in bigger cities. I believe we need to focus on providing the better school, better training for teacher, and more resources for students, no matter where they live. I think that's where I can help become a teacher and maybe one day working in education policy. I hope to make difference. It's important that we all contribute to creating a better future, especially for the younger generation. So whether it's asking for direction, discussing education, or planning for the future, I believe that every step we take helps us. I'm excited for what lies ahead, whether it's studying abroad, becoming a teacher, or making a difference in Indonesian educational system. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will continue to follow your dream and never be afraid to ask for advice or share your ideas. See you next time.